We want to use this opportunity to thank God the Almighty for us seeing this day. And first and foremost, to thank God Almighty for not allowing Adamawa to descend into anarchy. We want to use this opportunity to thank the chairman of INEC for immediately coming out and announcing the misadventure and the criminal behavior of Hutu by declaring an illegal result. We thank him enormously for rescuing democracy and for rescuing peace in Adamawa. We want to also not mention specifically Comrade Barrister National Commissioner Festus Okoye for even promptly making a very strong condemnation of the misbehavior of Hutu and also the decision INEC have taken today. Because, as we have been saying, the full rights of the law have to be applied on Hutu for this misbehavior, first and foremost to punish criminality, and secondly to send very strong example for future culprits who will be contemplating issues like this. We are also calling on the Inspector General of Police, the Director General of SSS, and the Director of Civil Defense to also investigate their officers, their complicity in accompanying Hutu toward this illegal declaration of results. We want to also say we thank the other agencies, security agencies, especially the Chief of Army Staff, for providing adequate security throughout this election and also during the collation of these results. I will not conclude without thanking specifically this ever very honorable, very patriotic Nigerian, very humble Professor Mohammed Mele, incorruptible Nigerian, who all effort has been made to corrupt him to declare an illegal regard. He refused. Nigerians, this is an example of a very honorable man.